Hi, how's everyone going? Welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about island food, Polyfood, Samoan food. So it's got, I have roasted galo, luau, bisupo, and sapasui. So that's the food today, guys. Anyway, how's everyone? How's everyone? What have you guys got to eat out there? And the drink is one of my favorites, kiwi melon. Okay, it's made by Nectar. I don't know if that's the brand, but it's got the name there. So, but this one, guys, it's a product of New Zealand, guys, so, you know. So, cheers, guys. It's got a weird looking colour, but the flavour is... You can feel it going to hang on. Anyway, let's get it going. Let's get it going. So, I will start with sapasui. I like how they have the chunky garlic in it. There you go. Have this first bite. Nice. Oh, lovely. Now you got me a small bowl. Nice. Okay. A snap there. See the galo? Roast galo? Have a bite, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm so hungry. I had my nephew over. Here, have a bite of luau. This is taro leaves with coconut cream and onion, salt, pepper, whatever you want to do with it, you do it. Delicious. It's made by the Samoans at the local shop. And here's corned beef, bisupo and galo. Yeah, have a bite. You gotta share. You have to share. This tastes so good when you're hungry, eh? Yep. Put some of this corned beef and luau on it, and Bob's your auntie. So nice. This is so martinez. Look at that. If I can focus straight away, but I'm telling you, it's lovely. So good. That's the neighbouring dog. You know what's funny? I film everywhere around this house. I did outside, I did in the bedroom, I did in the sitting room, I did in the kitchen, and now again in the garage. It's a nice combination. So I get the karo, get some beef soup on it, yep, see, and scoop some oil and put it on top, right, and then Bob's your auntie, See how far the hand goes? I know some people watch and think, why does she always... But it's because we are islanders, guys, and we have a lot of that. See, the dog across the road, when it starts barking, it starts barking. The dog over there, on the other side, it barks for a little while, then it stops. But those dogs over there, they like the sound of their own voices. But not a bad thing having dogs, you guys. Not bad at all. You love them, and you know, dogs are very loyal. If you raise them good, they are very loyal. Do you know how many animals have saved people from house fires, drowning? So, and plus, when people want to break into a house, like down the road, and the dog down at the other house hears a stranger in the neighborhood at night, it's got to bark. It's going to scare them away. You know what, guys? Who's seen Peter and Yen, their channel? You know what, guys? I watched them this morning, and I was thinking, they were showing this airport, right, out in Singapore, and it was so good. Wow, fancy wancy. Now, if you didn't know, there's an airport here in Sydney. Do you know how early people will attend just to catch their flight? They'll go first thing in the morning just to enjoy the whole day. Wow, we should go to the Peter and Yen channel, guys. That's their latest video. Yeah, guys, so they gave up their jobs. And then they went to, you know, start filming around the world. Wow, wow, wow. Oh well, as long as they stay safe and no harm comes to them along the way. But they do a fantastic job, guys. Fantastic. And so do you guys too that own channels. Don't ever think you don't, because you honestly do. Yeah, have a bite. You know, guys, I bought this from the local shops. So, to me, it's ready. It's ready to eat. Can you hear that plane? That plane in the distance. Yeah, so it's ready to eat, this food. So you just go and get it, and you enjoy it. I just had my nephew Raymond over, my older brother's son. Yeah, he's here for work, and then he goes back to Ohio, whatever. I don't even know what it is. Yeah, it's in America, I mean. Yeah. So he's saying that one day, him and his missus might come here and either stay in Sydney, which I hope he does, or move to Melbourne. Why? Anyway, whatever they decide, it's up to them. My nephew, he's a qualified electrician. Yeah, he's here for electrician work. To come here and work for 3 weeks, it must be good. Well, they got the contract. Anyway, my nephew, he stuck it out, went to his electrician job, because that's what his mum always used to say. And she used to say to him, well, if you put in the hard work, it pays later. And I'm glad he listened. Sorry about my dancing all the time, guys. But sometimes when the food tastes good, Who watches Jamily TV, guys? He does a good job, Joe, and his he's in Samoa with his little family, guys. He does a really good job. I was very excited when I first said hello to him and his channel when he first got to Samoa. And then he told me that he watches my channels. And I thought, he watched it from America though. He wasn't in Samoa then. And I think, wow. Thank you, Joe. But I know now, he's quite busy. Oh, he's got daughters, he's got no son, but oh my gosh, do they all look pretty like the mum. Not that Joe's Oliang, I know. Him and his wife are good looking couple. Yeah. Anyway, and Jamily TV, they were covering the Samoan games, but sadly he had to delete them because he wasn't allowed to have them up. So sad. But when he did have them up, it was good watching. It was good watching. He covered it so good. He's got a nice voice to go with, you know. So guys, if you don't know Jamily TV. Go and subscribe to his channel, guys. I'm sure you would love that. Oh yeah, and Peter in the end. And then I saw Hey, it's Tara. She went to Samoa too. So go and say hello to Hey, it's Tara if you haven't already. This is too good, guys. Well, it's nearly all finished. And I say cheers to you because I have to do the shout out now. Guys, before I do the shout out, I want to show you guys something. You're probably wondering, what's she going to show us? Just wait my moment, Okay guys, here's the surprise. Ta-da! It's Bunny Popo. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I got a half it. I bought two, but I really just wanted one. There we go. Yeah, have a bite. Have a bite. Ooh. Oh, that's so good. You know what? I have to stop. I want to do a shout out. No. Guys, you know why I got this bright book? I lost my other book. I don't know where I put it. I looked everywhere. So, when I went to the shop, I got me a book. I'm sure I can never lose again. Lose. More coffee. Okay. See, first starting. So the first shout out goes to Jerome Lopa. Jerome, I said that I will shout you out, and here it goes. So Jerome Lopa, hello, how are you? And then I see comments from done with. Okay, like I'm done with you. Okay, so it's done with. Hello to you. Thank you very much for watching, stopping by and leaving comments. Appreciate you very much, and you too, Jerome. And then this name here. It's going to be a bit hard for me to say, but I'll try. Anyway, guys, and then the third name is T. Gender Jordan. Hello to you. Thank you very much for commenting on my videos. I appreciate that. And then there's one, Tasty Mukbang Eats. Okay, guys? Guys, you know why I can't shout as much? Because the other names were in the other book. So I don't know what I wrote down. So these are like previous comments. So I'm sorry, guys. But anyway, I want to also say hello Harriet. And Is That Us Fam? Oh, sorry guys. See, I should have written it all down, but I did it. So all of you that are setting up Polyfood for us, preparing things for us before we get there, high five to you guys. I know it's not easy. So sorry about the hard work that you guys are going through to put it together, but you know, we're gonna all try and make it worthwhile, our hanging out and being there with the Polyfood, us from Australia and wherever the others are coming from. But it will be so good to see you guys on September. Looking forward to that. Me and my granddaughter Savannah, we will be there to, you know, say hey, you know, and hang out with you guys, okay? So thank you so much for watching this mukbang, guys. I would have eaten more, but when that dog and that cough and that other stuff started happening, you know when you put off your appetite? Yeah, that's what happened. And that's true. All the truth, nothing but the truth. But anyway, guys, I am so maunga. It's not funny. Hang on, I had a full glass of this, right? Traitor! Okay, see you guys, okay? See you on my next mukbang. I don't know where else part of the house I'm going to do my mukbang, as long as it's not in the you know where, because that's a no-no room. That's only to go there and do your business. So if you guys want a shout out, happy birthday shout out, or anything shout out, your name will go in here. Okay, guys? Thank you for hanging out with me, okay? You guys take good care. But the mukbang is done. I had an extra drink of this. I should have taken it easy because it's, you know, filled me up. And I also want to say, moms, if you're watching this, thanks for dropping by to say hello to your family. Really appreciate that. You put a big smile on your nana's face. And this drink, you traitor, it filled me up. And now I can't finish it. Mangkua, alofa ko ainga, alofa ko makua. And most of all, give thanks to the good Lord that always help us out, feed us, everything. You guys take care. Fasui for it.